Wow, create or edit your vlog with Canva. Let's see how.
Upload your vlog on Canva.
Go to the elements and search anything you want to edit in your vlog.
Like emoji, images, video, symbols, anything.
Customize the emoji in any way like size, color or can switch too.
You can also add text in any format.
You can take any style, any color, font, everything is in our hands.
Let's see how the final result looks like.
Wow, amazing.
You can cut and add transitions that gives an amazing effect to your vlog.
Add audio, music or voice as per your choice.
Can draw by click on tools, select any pen and color.
Go to the uploads and add your content to the slide easily. Download it any format with best quality.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.